What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram, and some users don't have this feature. I will show you exactly how to reply to a specific message, and I'm also going to show you how to add that feature to your account, because most people can't reply to a specific message. Whenever they try it, it doesn't allow them to do that. It's not working. Now what you want to do guys, first, if you have this option, you can see now if you can reply to a specific message. Now open your Instagram and then click this airplane in the top right, and then this one. Now let's say I want to reply to a specific message. Okay, now let's say I want to reply to "Hi man, thanks for following," as you can see here. Hold down on that message and swipe to the right. Okay, hold down and swipe to the right. Okay, swipe to the right, and it will automatically like take you where you can reply to that specific message here. Now I don't have that feature, but I am going to tell you how you can add it right now. Or you can just hold down on that message for a few seconds, and you will see the reply option at the very bottom left. It will say the reply. That means you will reply to that specific message. Now let's say that you don't have that feature like me. Here is exactly how you can get that feature. So the first thing guys you need to do, so I just created this account as a test, because I already have that feature on my other account, because I am going to show you how you can add it. So I have to create this new account. Now what you want to do guys, to add that feature to your account, you want to just go to your App Store or Play Store and update the app to the latest version. Search Instagram and update the app to the latest version first. This is the first method. Now it will say there update. You want to click on update and wait a few seconds. The app will be updated. Now if it says open, that means you have the latest version of Instagram. So like I said guys, you can do this on Android phones and iPhone phones. Just search for Instagram or App Store or Play Store and click on update. Okay, now after you update the app guys, what you want to do guys, you want to go to your Instagram. Okay, and then you want to click three little lines in the top right. As you can see, three little lines in top right, and after that you want to click on settings. And after you click guys on settings, in the top here it will say update messaging. If you can see here guys, in the top of follow and invite friends, you will see their update messaging. You want to just click on update messaging, and that's all you need to do guys. All you have to do is update the messaging. You want to click it, follow the steps, and you will be able to update, and then go back and then hold down on the message and you will see the reply option. Now if you don't see here update messaging, don't worry guys, I'm gonna be showing you a few solutions. Now what you want to do guys, what worked for me is I go to settings and then general, and then language and region, and then iPhone language in the top, and I click on UK English. Okay, so this is just a secret guys. Leave a like for this video. Now you want to just change it to UK English. Okay, you want to click on UK. I can't click it because it will stop recording the screen. Now you want to just click on UK English, and that's all you need to do guys. And then click UK English and then go to messaging and try if it works, and also check if you have the update messaging in your settings like I showed you guys. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know.